Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can protect your WhatsApp account with one very simple yet effective method. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write comments after watching. So, dear friends, let's get started. And first of all, I recommend that you open the WhatsApp application on your device. And then at the bottom on the right-hand side, tap on Settings. Then select the Account option. After that, here you will need to select the second option, which is called Two-Step Verification. Once you get into it, you will need to enable it by clicking right here. Next, you will need to come up with a 6-digit PIN code and memorize it in order to activate this two-step verification. I'll enter, let's say, a simple combination like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you don't enter such combinations. It's just indicative. You're going to come up with a very reliable, good $6,000 code. Next, you'll need to confirm it. Drive it again. And, in fact, this is where the two-step such verification from the protection of your WhatsApp is already included. But, as you can see, in the next step you are offered to add email for even more protection of your data in WhatsApp. And I personally recommend you to still enable this feature and add email. To do this, you'll need to click on Add Email. And then enter your email address. Then, friends, your email will arrive literally in a few seconds or a minute. An email from WhatsApp that will have a 6-digit code in it. This code you will need to enter in the WhatsApp app to confirm that it is indeed your email. After that, your WhatsApp account will be completely secured not only with two-step verification, but also with identification through your email. This is such a very interesting simple method, friends. You will be able to protect your WhatsApp account. I really hope that this video has helped you, that it has been useful to you. Please don't forget to write comments, subscribe to our channel, and also put your likes below the video. Bye-bye.